Hey Texas friends, in this week's HEB haul, I'm going to show you how you can score $94 worth of products, including $40 worth of Gain products for just 16 bucks. Let me show you how. Okay, let's start off with our Gain laundry care deal. For this deal, you want to pick up a box of Gain dryer sheets priced at $9.94. A bottle of Gain Fireworks priced at $15.94. A bottle of Gain liquid fabric softener priced at $4.47. And for the last item, you can either grab the Gain liquid detergent priced at $10.94 or the Gain flings also priced at $10.94. Your total for all four items is going to be $41.29 before coupons. Then in the HEB app, you want to clip the $2 off one for the Gain dryer sheets, the $3 off one for the Gain Fireworks, the $1 off one for the Gain fabric softener, and the $2 off one digital coupon for the liquid laundry detergent. If you grab the Gain flings instead of the liquid, make sure to clip the appropriate coupon for that. To complete this deal, you also need these two digital basket coupons. Now, every account got this 10 off 40 basket coupon you see here, but not every account got this 5 off 15 unlimited basket coupon for Gain fabric enhancers. It looks like more of the South Texas stores got this coupon, and unfortunately, you cannot change your zip code to get it. If you change your zip code, it will let you add the coupon, but when you go to checkout, it will not apply. So since this 5 off 15 basket coupon is unlimited and we grabbed over $30 worth of fabric enhancing products, this will apply twice. After all coupons are applied, you'll pay $13.29 for all four items. Now let's do a Dove scenario. So the first item that we're going to pick up is really just a filler item. It is going to be so we can reach a basket threshold amount. You want to grab one of these Dove shampoos priced at $2.69. The next thing you want to grab is 4 of these Dove body polishes priced at $6.97. Then in the HEB app, you want to clip this 3 off 15 unlimited basket coupon. Since we are purchasing over $30 worth of Dove products, that basket coupon is going to apply twice, taking off a total of $6. Also, in the 10 to save inserts, we have buy one, get one free Dove body polish coupons. I'm going to use 2 of those, so that's going to take off a total of $13.94. So our total before any coupons are applied is $30.54. And at checkout, after that basket coupon, as well as those paper coupons are applied, that will take off a total of $19.94. I'm going to pay $10.63 out of pocket, but then I'm going to take my receipt and submit it to Fetch Rewards, where Fetch has an offer for 4,000 points back or $4 when you buy 2. Since I bought 4 of these, I'm going to get back 8,000 points, making my final net total $2.63. I shared this deal on Instagram on Monday, but I wanted to share it here with you guys as well. This Glade starter kit is $3.48, and in the HEB app, we have a $2.50 off one digital coupon. After that coupon is applied, you'll be left to pay 98 cents out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where Ibotta will give you back an additional 50 cents. With that rebate, that drops our net total for this down to just 48 cents. This super easy moneymaker is back on Shopkick. You want to go to the checkout lanes and look for these Kellogg's Froot Loops Jumbo Snacks priced at $1. You'll pay the $1 out of pocket, but then submit your receipt to Shopkick, where you'll get back 350 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.40. That makes this free and a 40-cent moneymaker. This item does not scan as a match for the Shopkick offer. However, there are no size limitations, so this should work no problem. These packs of Somo beans are normally $3.48, but we have an unlimited digital coupon that you can use in the HEB app that is going to take $1.50 off of each one. So at the register, you're going to get a total of $7.50 off, leaving you to pay $9.90 out of pocket. We're then going to take our receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where we have a rebate for $2 back for each one. So on Ibotta, for all 5 packs, we're going to get back a total of $10, making all of these completely free. Here are some alternative and more deals that you can do that I did not include in my haul. So this deal is an alternative to the Glade starter kit that I showed you. You can pick up just the Glade warmer for $1.78. You can clip that same $2.50 off digital coupon, and at checkout, it will adjust down, making this completely free. HEB no longer gives overage, so this will just be free at checkout. You'll pay absolutely nothing, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. Another option is to pick a second one of these up for $1.78 and pay that $1.78 out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to coupons.com for $2.50 back, as well as that 50-cent Ibotta rebate, which would make this free and a $1.22 moneymaker. I did this next deal at Kroger, but you can do it at H-E-B as well. You want to look for the crunchy cookie M&Ms, the share size here for $1.98. You can find these in the checkout lanes, and you'll pay that $1.98 for them out of pocket, but then submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, where we have a 100% cash back offer for them. So you'll pay $1.98 and get $1.98 back in Fetch Rewards points, making this free. Last up, we have a super easy deal for this Comet Rice. This rice is normally $1.78 per box, but there is a $1 off one unlimited digital coupon found in the H-E-B app. So that's going to make each box just 78 cents. As I mentioned, this digital coupon is unlimited, so you can grab as many as you'd like at that 78-cent net price. Okay, let's recap this haul. I have two separate receipts. On this first one, I have all of my Gain products. At the top, I have the Gain fireworks that were $15.94, but we had a $3 off digital, making those $12.94. Then we had the Gain fabric softener for $4.47 and a $1 off digital, making that $3.47. The Gain dryer sheets at $9.94 with a $2 off digital coupon, making those $7.94. And then the Gain liquid laundry detergent that was $10.94 with a $2 off coupon, dropping it down to $8.94. Towards the middle of the receipt, you can also see that the 5 off 15 basket coupon came off twice for a total of $10, and the $10 off 40 basket coupon also applied. That made my total out of pocket for this receipt $13.29 plus tax. I saved $28. Moving on to my second receipt, at the top I have my 4 Dove body polishes. So I know the paper coupons work on the hot pink lid varieties, but they only had 3 of them and I needed 4. I had tried the light pink lid before and the coupons would not scan, but this store also had a yellow lid variety. Well, that one did not work at checkout as well, so my second coupon had to be manually entered by the cashier. You can see those there at the middle of the receipt. And then also you can see, since we purchased over $30 worth of Dove products, that 3 off 15 basket coupon applied twice, taking off a total of $6. Next was my Glade starter kit. That was $3.48, but we had that $2.50 off digital coupon, making that just 98 cents out of pocket. I also had my Somos. I purchased 5. $1.50 came off of each one of those for a total of $7.50 off. Finally, I have my Kellogg's Froot Loops Jumbo Snacks. That was $1 and I paid full price for that out of pocket. My subtotal on this receipt was $22.51. I then took this second receipt and submitted it to Ibotta, where I got back a total of $10 for the Somos beans and 50 cents for the Glade starter kit. So in all, I got back $10.50 on Ibotta. I also submitted this receipt to Fetch Rewards, where I got back a total of 8,000 points. Most of that was for the body polish, where I got back 4,000 points for every 2 that I bought, and I bought 2 sets, so 8,000 points. The final place I submitted my receipt to was Shopkick for the jumbo snacks, and within about an hour, I was credited for this, so I got back $1.40 there. Here is a look at the final numbers for this haul. The retail value was $93.74. I had a total of $57.94 in coupons, leaving me to pay out of pocket $35.80. I got back $10.50 on Ibotta, $1.40 on Shopkick, and $8 on Fetch Rewards, making my final net total $15.90. That's going to do it for this week's H-E-B haul. If you guys are not signed up for any of the rebate apps featured in this video, I do have links down in the description below where you can sign up. And when you sign up for any of these rebate apps, they all unlock welcome bonuses, so definitely make sure to take advantage of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up before you go, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.